In our modern times, artificial intelligence is no longer only a science fiction idea. It's now a big part of our daily lives. However, many people still are not sure about what AI can actually do at this moment. You might have heard about AI controlling cars or outplaying humans in difficult games, but that's just a small part. AI's abilities are changing quickly and have already gone beyond what we thought possible in many different areas. If you're not staying updated, you're not getting the chance to grasp one of the most powerful technologies of our era, and how it could affect society, jobs, and the times ahead. That's why we've made this video. We're here to make AI easier to understand. We will show you how it's being used in surprising industries today, and how it's getting ready to change the world as we know it. By the end of this video, you will have a clear and complete understanding of what AI can do right now. Let's begin. Number 1. Graphic designers. The fast progress in AI has led to the creation of strong design tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion and Leonardo AI. These state-of-the-art computer programs can create really top-notch designs of all sorts in just a few seconds. They use smart algorithms to look at trends, styles, and what people like to make amazing and one-of-a-kind images. But what does this mean for human graphic designers? As AI gets better at understanding beauty and making sense of creative instructions, there's less and less need for humans to step in during the design process. Designers might end up in a competition with machines that can create attractive designs super quickly, leaving very little space for mistakes and needing only a few changes. This brings up the question, can human creativity really hold up against the constant use of AI-powered design tools? We'll only know as time goes on. Number 2, translators and interpreters. Tools such as ChatGPT and other advanced language processing software are changing the way translations work. They're giving us very precise translations right away. These translation tools use the strength of machine learning and neural networks. This helps them get context, sayings, and cultural details, things that used to only be understood by human translators. This makes it easy to talk in different languages, getting rid of language obstacles like never before. As these technologies get better, human translators and interpreters might see that their skills matter less. Although there will always be a need for human knowledge in very specialized or delicate translations, the request for basic translation services might decrease. How will translators change to stay important in a world where AI can easily talk in any language? The destiny of this field is uncertain as we watch this big change in language happen. Number 3, manufacturing and assembly, jobs on assembly lines. In a time where being exact, quick, and effective is really important, robots that use AI are becoming the main focus on factory floors. These smart machines have high-tech sensors, computer vision, and the ability to learn like a computer. This lets them do hard jobs with only a bit of human help. From making cars to producing electronics, robots run by AI are quickly taking the place of human workers. These machines can work all day and night without getting tired. This makes sure that they always make the same amount of stuff and don't make many mistakes. Also, using AI for planning when to fix machines and for keeping track of supplies is making how things get made smoother than ever. While this change to using machines more might make things get done faster and cost less, we can't forget about the people. Many workers in factories might lose their jobs, not knowing what comes next. The hard part is helping these workers find new jobs in a world where machines do a lot, and also making sure they learn what they need to do well in these new jobs. Number 4, data entry and data processing. In this time when data is really important, companies are using smart AI programs to quickly make sense of huge amounts of information. Special computer programs that learn things called machine learning and technology that can read handwriting or printed words. OCR are being used to turn words into digital data, doing work that people used to do. AI programs for looking at data can search through really big sets of information and find things like patterns and trends much faster than humans. These changes make it easier and more exact when businesses need to make choices based on data. But they also bring up worries about jobs like putting data into computers and dealing with data that people used to do. As AI keeps getting better, these jobs might not be needed anymore. Number 5, basic accounting and bookkeeping. More jobs in accounting, like making sure money matches up, creating reports about money, and keeping track of spending, are getting done by AI programs and tools. These computer programs that learn things, machine learning, can look at lots of financial information. find when things don't match, and even guess what might happen next with really good accuracy. This doesn't just make managing money easier for companies, but also makes it less likely for people to make mistakes when they do hard math. While we've looked at the areas where AI might make a big difference early on, it's important to know that AI coming doesn't mean that people won't be creative anymore. Instead, it's a chance to change, get better, and do well together with these amazing new technologies. Accept the changes, spend time learning new things, and figure out how to use AI to make your career even better. Number 6, customer service and support. To give customers faster and more personal help, businesses are using AI chatbots and virtual assistants. These smart systems can understand how people talk, look at info about customers, and give quick answers to common problems. With AI handling customer issues well, the quality of service is getting better, and it's also saving money. But this might make us think about what happens to human customer service workers. As AI gets better at answering hard questions and even understanding how customers feel, there might be fewer jobs for humans. This change could mean that many support workers need to find new jobs or ways to use their skills in a world where AI is important. Number 7, proofreaders and copy editors. With better language algorithms, AI tools can now find grammar and sentence mistakes, suggest ways to improve writing style, and even make texts easier to read, all in real time. These advanced computer programs are more than just simple spell checkers. They can look at complicated sentence structures, get what's going on, and work with different writing styles. This means that AI can do a lot of the things that human proofreaders and editors usually do. The challenge for professionals in this area is to use AI tools to make their editing skills even better. By mixing AI's exactness with human editors' creativity, the industry can change to keep up with how digital things are always changing. Number 8, market research analytics. Market research analysts are seeing big changes because of AI. AI tools that look at data can now get and understand a lot of information from places like social media, customer reviews, and online actions. These tools can find patterns, trends, and what customers like, helping businesses know what to do in their marketing. To keep being important, analysts have to learn how to use AI tools for data and stay ahead in a world where data is really important. Number 9, legal assistants. Legal assistants are dealing with the growth of AI in the legal field. Smart AI programs can now do things like looking at contracts, finding information about past cases, and even guessing how cases might end. These AI tools save a lot of time and money, making the legal process smoother and maybe changing traditional legal support jobs. To fit into this new way, legal assistants need to use AI and get good at special skills that work well with AI tools. This might mean getting really good in specific legal areas, or getting better at things like talking with people and working out deals, things that only humans can do well. Number 10, financial planners and tax preparers. Financial planners and tax preparers are coming up against AI's bigger role in finance. Strong computer programs called robo-advisors are giving personal advice about investments, and smart algorithms are looking at tax rules and making tax returns with very few mistakes. As AI changes the finance industry a lot, human financial planners and tax preparers have to find ways to stand out. They might do special services, make strong connections with clients, or use both AI's power and their own skills. In all these cases, the hard part is finding the right mix between using AI and keeping the personal touch that people like in professional help. These industries have to change and fit with AI, or they might not work well in a world that's changing quickly. Number 11, junior software developers. Lastly, junior software developers might be in a bit of a tricky spot as AI technology gets better. With AI tools like ChatGPT and other software that works with words instead of just code, the way software is made is changing really fast. These smart tools can understand how people talk, make pieces of code, and even help make code that already exists better. As AI programs keep getting better, they're also getting better at doing tough coding tasks that people used to do. In this situation, junior software developers have to figure out how to stay important in a field where AI tools could get better than them. You have done great by watching till the end. Thank you for your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.